have here upside down fiberglass top for a 57 Thunderbird. This is a hardtop. It's an aftermarket unit. Seems like it's made pretty good, pretty heavy stock. You know, light enough. A couple guys can pick it up real easy. It's got like a all-weather carpeting here for the headliner. It's glued down. It's pretty nice. The problem that we encounter with this is the gentleman that bought it has a very nice 57 Thunderbird, and these porthole windows are not as factory at all. Here is a factory ring. See, they're thick at one end, wide at one end, narrow at the other. If I recall right, they go in like this. So he wanted to put this kit in. He bought this as a kit. Come with the external ring, the internal trim ring, going inside over here. This doesn't have anything, but this ring would go here. It has the glass with it, the rubber seals, everything with this kit to put them in. Well, the problem was the manufacturer made these holes too big. Too big to put these factory style kit in to make it look like it's factory original. So, I'm in the process now, as you can see over here, I've already peeled down this headliner. Since these openings are too big and inset, the factory style porthole glass will mount flush. I have to cut this out, build this upper here on this edge. I'll do that before I cut it. And cut it out so I can grind it down flush with just the thickness of the actual top. All the way back to here. Grind this inset down, and then I'll install this kit. Kit comes with a fiberglass insulation ring that'll be bonded to the inside here. That'll give us our space to come through. So we have all the parts to do it with. It's just a matter of correcting this. I don't know why a manufacturer would do this. I would think you would just offer this top with that kit, since that makes it look like factory. Versus just comes out to basically be a less than flush mount lens in here with a piece of vinyl molding around it. So that's where we're at. I'll bring you back in just as soon as we make some more progress. Alright, on the 57 Thunderbird hardtop today, I've got all this ground out now. See here? We'll see how this works out. Figure this out on this piece of trim. The ring they sent with you goes on the inside of that. This cutout goes to the top where there'll be a bow in place. So that'll come, the fiberglass purple piece will come through from the back side here. Trim out on the front. Snap it off of here. Have to cut this out larger. Put that housing in there. And then this trim piece, of course, goes on the front out here, and this was the problem. I can get down here so I can show you. Our trim piece, I'll turn it backwards, and you can see it goes all the way in there. So that's what the problem is. The hole that the guy that made this top, factory hole, was too big for this trim ring. So that's what we have to resize. So what that will amount to is I'll have to fill this in about 1/4 of an inch all the way around, and then cut this inside hole out larger. So I'll bring you back when we make more progress with this. Okay. Took some measurements here. Measure on the outside diameter of this ring is 7 3/16. Our hole here is 6 1/8. So our difference is 1 1/16. So I took a 1/2 inch mark all the way around that, made my mark. Now we'll cut that out and give me just a bit of leeway in it. 32nd of an inch round. I'm sure I'll make that up on the cut. So, all right, we'll cut this out and bring you back. Oh yeah, aftermarket stuff, right? They give you screws like this to put these together with into a threaded. Unbelievable. So I found out this is the thread that we need. You have it. See that? Nice. And then, of course, in the inside trim rings, the holes aren't big enough. I won't go through them. So you have to drill those out. Alright, bring it back when I drill the other one out. Alright, now I can kind of get an idea on this. You can see that distance going around. That's what I'll have to fill. You see it right in between right here. And on the inside, you can see I'm pretty flush on the outside, just get an idea here. And on the inside, you can also see how much I'm going to have to fill. This distance out to here. It's not drawn down quite as tight as it'll go, but it's going to be somewhere around 3/8 of an inch I have to fill there. So this will sandwich the glass in there, seal up. So alright, we'll bring you back when we make more progress.